Guest blogging and forum marketing. Guest blogging lets you create content on other people's blog. It helps you establish yourself as an authority and gives you a link back to your site. Guest blogging can even help you promote a product or a service that you have to offer. Now, a great way to find guest blogging opportunities is just to go to Google and do a search for guest post and then your niche. So if your niche was, say, bodybuilding, you would type in guest post and then bodybuilding. You also want to make sure that you search the Bing search engine as well, because Google and Bing, they use different criteria, so you'll find many more opportunities using both search engines. A lot of marketers will just use Google, and by going to Bing, you're going to give yourself a lot more opportunities to do some guest posts. Now, there's also some great websites out there that'll allow you to search right on their site and submit on their sites some different guest blogging opportunities. And some of those sites, the first one that we're going to look at is going to be My Blog Guest. And you can see what it does is it connects bloggers along with blog owners, and it gives blog owners a place to get new and fresh content on their site, and it gives bloggers like you, guest bloggers, a chance to reach a new audience, build your brand, you can network, and you can also build backlinks to your site. And there's several of these different guest blogging sites, but the first one, like I said, is this My Blog Guest. And you can see when we go over to Alexa to check the popularity of this site, you can see that of all the sites ranked in the world, this one is ranked 2,126. So you can see it's a very popular site. Some of the other sites that are out there that are popular for connecting guest bloggers with bloggers is slashdot.org. And you can see when we check this over at Alexa that it's ranked 1,719th. And it's just going to be a great place where you can go ahead and connect with other bloggers, get your content out there, and it's going to help you establish yourself as an expert. There's also Site Pro News, where you can go right to their site. They have a site or a section called Call for Writers, and it tells you exactly what they're looking for, how they can help you, how you can get your information out there. And by connecting with these other blogs, you're going to be able to go ahead and get some traffic linking back to your site. Another popular site is going to be the Blogger Newsnet, and you can see when we search on Alexa, you'll see it's a pretty popular site. Of all the sites out there, this site is pretty popular compared to the millions and millions of sites out there. And what's going to happen is you can see this is a site that's been around for an awfully long time, and it's going to allow you to get your site indexed by Google. It's going to increase your exposure, and it's going to expose you to a much wider audience. And guest blogging, it's been around a long time, and it's a very, very popular method for getting traffic to your websites. Now, forum marketing is one of the most popular ways to get free traffic to your site. And all you need to do is go to Google or to Bing and go ahead and search forum or message board in your niche. Okay? And what you can do is you can become an authority by contributing valuable posts and answering questions in the forum in your niche. Okay? And if you're not an expert, the great thing about doing this is you can just use Google or Bing to find the right answers to just about any question that someone's going to have. And then all you do is you have your signature, you link back to your website where you're going to offer up some sort of valuable free offer or some sort of secret. And you can see we can go right over to Google right now, and all I did type in bodybuilding. That's a niche that I'm working in right now, and then forum, and you can see there's all kinds of bodybuilding forums that we can go to. And I'll tell you, forum marketing is one of the most popular ways to drive traffic to your websites. And it's also definitely one of the most popular and most effective ways to get traffic to your site.